can't believe George has never had a birthday party.
We don't really know when he was born.
I thought he was the same age as you.
How old are you anyway?
In ape years, I'm 5.
That was the lamest score settling ever. The happiest memories of my whole life are at my birthday parties.
Mine too.
Here we go. Crispy, crunchy turd, mate. Hey, what's wrong?
Termites!
Oh, you're serious?
Oh great. We've got ourselves another one. A weird rabbit-eared gumdrop-looking creature. That annoying little beast must be eradicated. Lola, Brad, watch and learn from the co-leader. Today's the day, you vile lavender freak. Today is the day that
I will personally teach you a lesson you will never forget.